Sir, very happy evening to all my dear lovable students. I believe that your preparations are going very well. Tomorrow is our examination, first examination, advanced accounting. கண்டிப்பா இந்த தருணத்துல சொல்லலாம் வெற்றி நிச்சயம். எந்த வகையான மாற்ற கருத்தும் அதிலே இல்லை. சூப்பர், ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக். நான் எதை பத்தி சொல்றேன்னு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். அட்வான்ஸ் அக்கௌண்டன்சி பத்தி சொல்றேன். சார், நீங்க யாராவது பிரான்ச் அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்கன்னா, or if you have not prepared this lot of branch accounts, be with me for next 15-20 minutes. I will just consolidate you certain things. There is a huge chance that this will come for 6 mark in examination, which need our 15 to 20 minutes of time of attention only. If you are little strong in journal entries, this is a very easy area to crack. Otherwise, I will teach you, man. Why are you worrying? Sir, we are having nearly 5 rules. For example, போட்டியே ரெண்டு பேருக்கு தான். ஒன்று branch and number 2 is head office. Sir, if the branch is incurring their expenses, debit all expenses and losses that we already know. Debit the expenses. Okay, sir. Sir, branch is purchasing an asset. Second rule, you have to see 2 things. Have the branch assets are going to be recorded by branch A, or the branch assets are going to be recorded by head office A. If branch assets are going to be recorded by branch, asset account debit to cash or bank. If the branch assets are going to be recorded by head office, then my dear lovable students, branch asset is with head office. That means for a branch, it is receivable from head office. So please debit the head office to cash or bank account. That's it. Rule number 3, any income to the branch, always income should be credited. Sir, credit the income. If it is received cash, means cash to income. If that income has been received by head office is supposed to pay money to the branch. So it's a receivable to the head office. So head office to income. That's it. Sir, is there any reimbursement? For example, any amount has to be received from head office to the branch. Then according to a branch, it's a receivable. So receivable means asset. We have to debit the head office. If any amount has to be payable to the head office, it's a liability. All the liabilities are credit balance. So credit the head office. Sir, cash or goods in transit. Please debit or credit the cash or goods in transit. These are the basic 5 things which we should keep in your mind when you are going to write the entry. We are going to try one question. This may be a 4 to 5 mark or 6 mark question in exam. Give journal entries in the books of independent branch to rectify or to adjust the following. That means the branch is an independent branch. This time, if question is coming, question will come from independent branch. That too, these journal entries will be tested. Branch paid 5,000 rupees as salary to HO supervisor. So you always think as the branch. போட்டியே ரெண்டு பேருக்கு தான். ஒன்னு branch and head office. Who paid? Branch as paid. Whose expenses? Head office expenses. Then is it an expense to branch? No. Then it is a receivable from head office. Branch is supposed to get from head office. But the amount paid by branch has been debited to salary account in the books of branch. Oh, this is the current situation. Am I right, sir? Because my dear lovable students, sir, branch has booked as their expenses. So we have to rectify that and we have to, sir, book a receivable from the head office. So the journal entry should be head office account debit, my dear lovable students, because this is receivable from head office to salary account, because unnecessarily we have debited the salary. Is the entry easy, man? Foundation entry, why we have to skip that 6 mark? Knock it off. Asset purchased by branch 25,000. Super. That is branch asset. That is not important. Who's going to maintain that asset important? But the asset account was retained in head office books. Generally, if you purchase asset, what is the entry? Asset account debit to cash or bank account. But is the asset is going to be maintained by the branch? No. It is going to be maintained by head office. So according to branch, it's a receivable from head office. You tell me the entry, man. Very simple. Head office account debit to cash or bank account 25,000. Sir, easy, sir. அதனால்தானா நானும் within 10 minutes we can complete னு சொல்றேன். A remittance of 8,000 sent by branch. Who are you? You are branch. You send the money. Sir, but has not been received by head office. Sir, if it has not been received by head office, at the time of sending, we would have already put the journal entry. Sir, in the books of branch is what we are putting the entry. Have you already sent the money? Yes, at the time of sending itself, we would have put the money. then the counter entry should be posted by the head office, not by ourselves. Because in our books already we have passed the entry. No entry will be coming because already entry has been passed. That's it. Head office collected 25,000 directly from the customer of branch. That means our data has been collected by head office, but failed to give intimation to the branch. If we would have got money, what entry we would have passed? Cash to debtors. But money has not been received by us. Who received the money? Head office received the money. So as a branch, we are supposed to get money from the head office. So it's a receivable from here onwards, not from debtors, but from the head office. So you have to debit the head office and debtor will not pay anymore. He has already paid, but not paid to the branch, but paid to the head office. So we have to credit the debtor. Head office account debit 25,000 to debtor's account 25,000, my dear lovable students. Remittance of fund by HO to branch. So head office sent to us 5,000, not entered in branch books. If we have not entered means we are supposed to enter now. Then our cash balance will increase. Am I right, sir? 5,000 rupees. Bank account debit 5,000. Who gave? Sir, head office gave 5,000. That's it. Sir, if this 6 mark comes, it's not possible to handle. Yes, it is very much possible. We'll be doing one more question for your more and more grip. Give journal entries in the books of branch. First keep. Rendu per kadildam potiye. One branch, rendav head office. We are going to pass the entry in the books of branch. To rectify or adjust the following. Head office expense 3,000 allocated to branch. That means expense has been incurred by head office. They allocate the expense to the branch, but not recorded in the branch books. Okay, we have not recorded. So now we are going to record. It's a branch expenses. Branch expenses, we are supposed to record it. Am I right, sir? Sir, branch expenses should be debited because our expenses should be debited. Expenses account debit. Have you paid cash? No. Who paid cash? Head office paid cash. So it's a liability to the branch. We are liable to pay money to the head office. Sir, liability is a credit balance. Sir, easy, sir. Hello, sir. Depreciation of branch asset. Okay. Generally, journal entry for depreciation account debit to asset. Now the question is, who's maintaining the asset? Whose accounts are kept by head office, not provided earlier, 1,500. That means the accounts of the assets are kept by the head office. So what is the general journal entry for depreciation? Depreciation to asset. My dear lovable students, depreciation is an expense. It is a branch expense. There is no doubt about it. We have to still debit the depreciation. But instead of crediting asset, adha namma books asset illiye. Because when the asset has been purchased, we have debited the head office. So we have to credit the head office, man. Depreciation account debit 1,500 to head office account 1,500. Easy. 6 mark tomorrow will be in our pocket. My gift to you. My 56 subsection 2 class 10. Super, sir. Branch paid 2,000 as salary to a head office inspector. That is not branch expenses. It is head office expenses. So branch should not recognize as an expense. Branch should recognize as a receivable from HO. So HO should be debited. But the amount paid has been debited by branch to the salaries account. Ayyo. Branch has booked it as an expenses. It's a wrong treatment. We have to pass the rectification entry. It has to be receivable from head office. And rectification has to be made. To salaries should be credited. So the entry should be head office account debit 2,000 to salaries account 2,000. Comfortable? Come on, man, the next one. HO collected 10,000 directly from a customer on behalf of the branch. But no intimation to this effect has been received by the branch. Our debtor's money has been collected by head office. Then we would not receive any money from the debtor. But my dear lovable students, we are supposed to get receivable from head office because our debtor's money is with whom? Head office. So head office account debit, debtor, to debtor's account, the same adjustment, 10,000 rupees, man. Head office account debit 10,000 to debtor's account 10,000. A remittance of 15,000 sent by branch, we have already said, has not yet been received by head office. Then head office not received the information. They would have not passed the journal entry. I am writing the journal entry in the books of branch here. Already I would have passed the entry. No entry is required. Super, sir. Branch A incurred advertisement of 3,000 on behalf of branch B. It is not my expenses. Branch B expenses I have met. That means it is a receivable. It's a receivable. But branch B will not pay me My talaivan, sir, head office will pay me, so I have to get money from head office. But from my hand, cash would have gone out to cash or bank 3,000. Are you feeling comfortable? The last question from my side, my dear lovable students. With this, I will leave it, man. That's it. The 16th question, 6 mark, will be in your pocket. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of an independent branch of a business entity to rectify or adjust the following. Income of 2,800 allocated to the branch by the head office. Whose income? Our income, branch income. Income should be credited. Foundation ne padichirkom namme. But not recorded in the branch books. Abdiya, I will record it now. My dear lovable students, sir, head office account debit to income account because this income has not been received by cash or bank. Income should be credited. The other party head office should be debited. That's it. Because that money is receivable from head office. Because my income is with head office. So it's a receivable for me. Branch paid 3,000 as salary to head office manager. But the amount paid has been debited by branch to salaries account. Moonavud adjustment. Thiripi pandran nanu. Sir, I paid salary on behalf of head office manager. My dear lovable students, sir, it is a receivable for me from the head office. So 3,000 should be debited. 2, I have wrongly debited the salary account. I'm going to rectify the entry. Sir, head office account debit. My dear lovable students, 3,000 to salaries account 3,000. இப்போ நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. Branch incurred traveling expense of 5,000 on behalf of another branch. This was not recorded in the books of branch. Abdiya, I am a branch. I incurred expenses for another branch. So my dear lovable students, that is an amount recoverable, receivable from me from the another branch. But another branch will not give me. Talaivan will give me. Who's the Talaivan? Head office man. Head office account debit 5,000 to cash or bank account 5,000. A remittance of 1,50,000 sent by branch as not received by head office on the date of reconciliation of accounts. Already we remitted. We remitted means we would have passed the entry. No information has been received by the head office means let them pass it as cash in transit or goods in transit, man. Since we have already passed the entry, no entry will be coming in the books of the branch. Sare, iflo simple sare idu. Satyama, 6 mark. Easy. Come on, man. Head office allocates 75,000 to the branch as head office expenses, which has not yet been recorded by the branch. That means total expense would have been incurred by head office. They have apportioned the expenses. Our share is 75,000, my dear lovable students. Our expenses means we are supposed to book it as expenses. We are liable to pay this 75,000 to the head office. So we will be passing the entry. Expense account debit 75,000 to head office 75,000. இதான் நானும் சொன்னேன், போட்டியே ரெண்டு பேருக்கு தான். நம்ம நினைச்சவங்க தான் ஜெயிப்பாங்க. எந்த வகையான மாற்ற கருத்தும் இல்லை. நம்ம கண்டிப்பா கட்டாயமா எக்ஸம்ஷன் தான். Come on, man. Head office collected 30,000 rupees directly from a branch customer. Head office collected. My customer's money, branch has collected. Sir, the intimation of the fact has been received by the branch only now, not recorded till now. That means, my dear lovable students, my money has been now holded by head office. It is receivable from head office. But my debtor has already paid to head office. So debtor balance should be reduced. So the entry should be head office account debit to debtor account 30,000. The last adjustment. Goods dispatched by head office amounting to 10,000. But not received by branch till date of reconciliation. That means head office send goods to branch. இப்பதான் எனக்கு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வருது. Goods have been received subsequently. That means goods in transit. Goods in transit is an asset. Asset should be debited, my dear lovable students. I should pass the entry. Goods in transit account debit 10,000. General purchase panna purchase to creditor. From whom you purchased? From head office. So we are liable to pay, sir, 10,000 rupees to the creditor. I believe that, my dear lovable students, if such a question has been comes from independent branch, tomorrow we will happily sweep it for 6 by 6. I just want one thing from you. Every one of you sincerely try illustration number by your own. Every one of you sincerely try illustration number 11. And every one of you sincerely try illustration number 16. I'm taking this much effort for you. I just want to know one thing. How many of you got correct answer or how many of the entries you have gone wrong in the comment section. If many are commenting, I will be coming up with such important areas, videos for you. This is a gift from me, my dear lovable students. I just want to hear only one thing very positive, that in the May Matunda will meet at the appropriate